Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you QualCert Level 3 Award in Safety, Health and Environment for Construction Site Managers. In the bustling world of construction, safety, health, and environmental considerations are paramount for construction site managers tasked with overseeing complex projects and ensuring the well-being of their teams. The Level 3 Award in Safety, Health, and Environment stands as a beacon of knowledge and empowerment. Let's delve into what this award entails and why it's crucial for construction site managers. Construction sites are dynamic environments with inherent risks and hazards, ranging from falls and machinery accidents to exposure to hazardous materials and environmental impacts. Construction site managers play a critical role in mitigating these risks and safeguarding the health and safety of workers while minimizing the environmental footprint of construction activities. The Level 3 Award equips construction site managers with the knowledge, skills, and tools necessary to fulfill these responsibilities effectively. Qualification structure. Understanding health and safety legislation, risk assessment and management, managing health and safety on construction sites, environmental management in construction, health and safety monitoring and review, promoting a positive health and safety culture, emergency preparedness and response, legal responsibilities and liabilities. Entry requirements. Educational qualification, minimum of a secondary school completion certificate or its equivalent, e.g., high school diploma, GCSEs, GED, English language proficiency. Adequate proficiency in the English language is essential to comprehend course materials, communicate effectively, and adhere to safety instructions. Age requirement, typically, applicants must be at least 16 years old at the start of the course. Who is this course for? Construction site managers, health and safety professionals, construction industry personnel, graduates and entry-level professionals, career advancers, employers and business owners, government and regulatory personnel. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.